Kiddos, welcome to this week's homework where we're looking at adding and subtracting expressions. Remember, when we're working with expressions, we're not solving, we are simplifying. And with that, let's dive in. We want to start with finding our like and like rewriting so that they are in the same spot. Remember that you need to bring the sign in front as well. So for this one, we have 9G plus 3G plus 6 plus 4. 9 and 3 is 12. Bring your G. 6 and 4 is 10. 12G plus 10. Over here, these are all the same. 10H, 8H, 2H. So add 10 and 8 is 18. 18 and 2 is 20. 20H. Down here, again, we're going to start with like and like. So I have my variables and my numbers, bringing the sign with me. 2J plus 12J plus 7J plus 17 plus 8. 2 and 12 is 14. 14 and 7 is 21. There's my J. 17 plus 8 gives me 25, so 21J plus 25. Over here, start with like and like. 2K, 19K, 14K, 17, 5, and 11. Rewrite in a way that puts like and like together. So 2K plus 19K plus 14K. Plus 17, 5, and 11. When we combine 2 plus 19 plus 14, we get 35K. 17 plus 5 plus 11 gives me 33. So 35K plus 33. Dropping down below. Like and like. 18M, 16M. 18M plus 16M plus 11. 18 and 16 is 34. Bring your M plus 11. Last one on this page. We have 13N and 19N. As for our constants, we have 4 and 15. When we add 6 plus 13 plus 19, we get 38N. 15 plus 4 is 19. That's the end of our first page. Any questions? Bring them with you to class. All right, next page. We are still working without any parentheses, which means we start with like and like. Remember, when I see a subtraction, my brain says keep, change, change. So we're going to start with putting like and like together. So I have 14P minus 4P minus 6P plus 3 minus 1. I'm going to go ahead and do my keep, change, change before I do anything else. 14P minus 4P minus 6P is going to leave me with 4P. Positive 3 and negative 1 leave me with positive 2. 4P plus 2. Over here, 17Q, negative 11Q. Rewrite 17Q minus 11Q plus 9. Keep, change, change. 17 minus 11 is 6Q. Add the 9, 6Q plus 9. Coming down here, we start with like and like. I see subtraction signs, so I already know I'm going to have to do keep, change, change. So I rewrite, putting like and like together. Keep, change, change. Keep, change, change. 15 minus 9 gives me 6R. 20 minus 5 gives me 15. 6R plus 15. Like and like. with these. They're already kinded together for you. So I have 10s minus 6s minus 3s plus 19 plus 2 minus 8. Keep, change, change. Keep, change, change. Keep, change, change. 10s minus 6s is 4s. Minus 3s is 1s or just s. 19 plus 2 is 21. 21 minus 8 is 13. S plus 13. Coming down here, like and like, already written for us. So we're going to go through and do keep, change, change, keep, change, change, keep, change, change. 10 minus 4 is 6. 6 minus 3 is 3t plus 11 minus 2 is 9. 3t plus 9. Over here, like and like, 18u minus 9u, positive 5, negative 4. 18u minus 9u plus 5 minus 4. Keep, change, change, keep, change, change. 18 minus 9 is 9u. 5 minus 4 is 1. 9u plus 1. That's the end of page 2. If you have any questions, bring them with you to class. All right, Nuggets, this is where things get a little bit crazy because we're throwing in some parentheses. Remember, when we have parentheses, specifically when we have a subtraction question, we need to distribute that subtraction sign because we cannot subtract. And because there's a parentheses, that subtraction sign is going to go to the whole parentheses. But first, we have this cutie, nothing crazy. Let's dive in. We're going to combine like and like. Since this is a plus sign, we can drop our parentheses because we don't have anything to distribute. Positives are going to stay positive. So 6v and 12v give us 18v. 11 and 17 give us 28. So that one is easy peasy lemon squeezy. Let's pop over here. We are distributing that subtraction. So that means we're going to do keep, change, change for everything in the back. So keep, change, change, change. They become negative. Let's rewrite. 14 plus 7w plus negative 4 plus negative 3w. 7w minus 3w gives you 4w. 14 minus 4 gives you 10. 4w plus 10. Remember, it's only with that subtraction sign. This is positive. Everything back here is positive, so we can drop these. It's not going to change anything. 15 plus 10, 25x. Keep, change, change. 13 minus 8 gives us plus 5. 25x plus 5. Keep, change, change. They become their opposites, okay? 18y and negative 9. 18y and negative 9. Actually, let me rewrite this so you can see it a little bit better. I want to write it and stretch it out for you. So this subtraction sign becomes plus a negative for the 8, and then our 9y, which is negative, becomes the opposite as well, okay? So we have, oh, where's my y? There we go. 18 and 9 give us 27y. 16 and negative 8 become 8. 27y plus 8. So we make them opposites. This is plus, so we're good, but we're going to do a little keep, change, change down here. 14 plus 9 is 25z. 10 minus 1 is 9. 25z plus 9. We're going to do a keep, change, change in the front, and then opposite, opposite. So we have 20 plus negative 6a plus negative 3 plus 2a. So here we have negative 6a, negative 2a. That becomes negative 8a. 20 minus 3 is 17. Negative 8a and 17. Remember, when we have a subtraction sign, everything in the back parentheses becomes its opposite. Any questions? Bring them with you to class. All right, loves. Again, we're working on our expressions. We have parentheses, which we know if we have a subtraction and a parenthesis, we need to make some opposites. So let's take a look at this. First, we're going to start off with a keep, change up here because we're not going to subtract. And then opposite, opposite, opposite. Let's rewrite. 17b plus negative 3 plus negative 13 plus 9b. 17b and 9b is 26b. Negative 3 and negative 13 is negative 16. 26b minus 16. Keep, change, keep, change. 12c and negative 6c leave me with positive 6c. 19 minus 2 is 17. 6c plus 17. Keep, change. Let's make some opposites. Rewrite 12d plus 2 plus negative 4d plus negative 1. 12d and negative 4d is 8d. Oh, this is a plus. 2 minus 1 is 1. 8d plus 1. Over here, opposites. 9 plus 5 is 14e. 11 minus 6 is positive 5. 14e plus 5. 2 more on this page. I think, yep, okay. Keep, change. Keep, change. Here we go. 19f plus 8f, 27f, minus 13 and 6 is 19. 27f minus 19. Last one, keep, change. Keep, change. Negative 9g, negative 5g gives you negative 14g. 16 minus 2 is 14. Negative 14g plus 14. Any questions? Bring them with you to class. Last one, looking at these a little bit different, trying to read equations based off of what we have here. So for this one, we would have 2a plus 12. So combining what we have. For this, all of them would be the same. So it would be 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8 gives us 32b. Down here, we have 12c plus 7c plus 7c is 26c plus, the only number by itself, 2. For this one, all of these pieces would be equivalent. So 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14 plus 14 gives you 70d. Over here, we have opposites are the same. 5e plus 5e is 10e. 18 and 18 is 36. One more over here. Opposites are the same. 9 and 9 is 18f. 13 and 13 is 26. That is the end of our work for this week. If you have any questions, please bring them with you to class.